So the prevention cost which we talked earlier was related to preventing the problems happening in the first place. The next one here is the appraisal cost. Appraisal cost is for maintaining the quality level. Whatever checks and balances we have in our process to make sure that we maintain the quality, those will be considered as the appraisal cost. Appraisal cost will consist of tests and inspection. Whatever checking you are doing in process, whatever checking you are doing as a final product, all will be included as the cost of appraisal. In addition to that, when you buy some material from your suppliers, the suppliers sampling, whatever testing you are doing on those items which you purchased, that also will be considered as the appraisal cost. So the appraisal cost will also include auditing processes, whatever you do to maintain the quality level, whatever you have. Some of the auditing of course might be considered as the prevention cost. If you are doing an audit of your supplier for selecting that supplier, that's something which I would say that you are doing something for prevention rather than appraisal. Appraisal will be once you have a supplier in place and you are doing an audit on that particular supplier to make sure that the supplier is able to provide you the consistent product, that would be considered as appraisal. So audit could basically fall in any of these two categories depending upon the purpose of that audit. And both of these, prevention and appraisal, are basically targeting to eliminate or reduce the internal and external failure costs.